So today we're going to use the Nizoral shampoo. Is an anti-dandruff shampoo to shampoo our hair, and our hair is in twist right now, and we're going to shampoo our hair in that twist. We're not taking it down. So if you have locks, this will also work for you with locks. So I'm going to start off by wetting our hair. This is lukewarm water. You never want to use water that is too hot. You never want to use that water on the hair. So you will first start off by wetting the hair with water. This is the consistency of the shampoo, and it's a blue shampoo. And this shampoo contains really good ingredients for dandruff, if you have dandruff in the hair. So I'm just putting it in between the hair like that. So just put it, and it foams up very, very quickly. So you can see the amount I already put in our hair is all over, you know. So concentrate it on the scalp itself. So if you have areas of the hair that has more dandruff, you want to concentrate it more on that area. So I'm just taking a little bit of it, putting it on the hair like that. And the front of our hair had a bunch of dandruff at the front of our hair, so I'm making sure I'm concentrating it on it. So what I do after putting this shampoo on our scalp, especially, I wait. I leave it on our scalp for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to wait a little bit, make sure I put it, and then while I'm waiting, I'm going to be massaging our scalp. So you want to really massage the scalp. Just massage to get it into the scalp. If it feels a bit dry, just get some more water. I'm going to massage it again. Try not to get it in the eye or eyes. Okay, so our hair has been like this for about 2 minutes, and you can see that the shampoo has really penetrated in after I massaged it in. You can see our hair and our scalp. And so now I'm just going to rinse our hair, and as you see, it washes the hair. You see how dirty our hair is. So you see how the dirt is. The dirt, you see? You guys see? That shampoo really works. Our hair was so dirty, and the shampoo really works to remove the dirt from the hair. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the shampoo, just a little bit, not too much. I'm just going to take a little bit, you see, that amount, and I'm going to run it through the length of our hair. I don't concentrate it too much. One thing about this shampoo is after you use it, you also want to deep condition the hair, because it can be a bit dry, so you do want to deep condition the hair. So you can see after I rinse this out, you see her hair will not be as dirty as before. So see the water, you see how it's running a bit cleaner. So we like this shampoo, and it's an awesome shampoo if you're suffering from dandruff and from flakes. So we're going to assess our scalp right now to show you how clean our scalp is. So you can see our scalp is really clean, very nice. We have no dandruff whatsoever in our scalp.